Let's see how to adjust volume in Premiere Pro. So this is my audio clip. First of all, in this left hand menu, you have to select the pen tool, and to zoom in your audio, you can just zoom it from here in timeline. Now you have to increase your audio panel height just like this, and then using the pen tool, go ahead and add some dots according to your requirements. Now, for example, I want to decrease my audio volume in this position. So I'm just decreasing my volume just like this. And for example, I want to increase volume in this position. So I'm just increasing my audio volume using this dot. So that's how you can go ahead and adjust your volume. And now let's play this video. And this is how we can do it.